Hello students, how are you? Today we will going to learn the chapter Weather and Season. Let's start. Some days are sunny and some days are cloudy. It rains on some day and other days are windy. You can see the pictures. We can find these kind of changes around us. Now what is weather? The condition of the air of a particular place at a particular time is called the weather. Means in your place the condition of a air of a particular time, say it is morning or evening or noon, whatever may be, the condition of air of that particular time is called the weather of the particular place. Means in case of your place, it is the weather of your place. The condition exists only for a short period of time. That means if the morning is cloudy, maybe the noon is sunny, or maybe the evening is rainy. Okay? Next, which factors affect our weather? Let's look the factors that causes the changes in the weather. The four factors which affect the weather are sun, the clouds, the rain and the wind. These four factors affect the weather. Now let's look at the factors in details. Let's know about the sun. When the sun is directly above our head at noon, like this, it shines brightly and the weather is hot. We sweat a lot and therefore we feel thirsty. All of us have felt this kind of situation. Am I right? Yes, but it is not hot in the morning and the evening. Because as you can see, this is morning and this is evening time. You can see the sun is not directly above our head. So mornings and evenings are cool. Now, what is temperature? Temperature means how hot or cold the air of a place is. This is the temperature. Next is clouds. When there are lots of clouds in the sky, like this, the sun seems to be hidden behind the clouds, as you cannot see the sun in the above picture. The day is neither too hot or sunny. The temperature is low, so cloudy days are cooler than the sunny days. Some clouds bring us rain. Now let's look at the rain. Sometimes the water vapor in the clouds cools down and changes into water. This water in the clouds then comes down as rain. Yes, such days are called rainy days. And we use raincoats or umbrella when we go out on a rainy day like this. It also looks very amazing, right students? Yes. Now wind. Moving air is called wind, like this. When the wind blows very softly and gently is called the breeze, like this. Have you seen this kind of scene? Next, when the wind blow very strongly, it is called storm, like this. A storm can uproot trees and damage thatched huts. Okay students, so be careful if you caught by any storm. Winds also affect weather. In summer, hot winds blow and makes the weather very hot. And in winter, cold winds blow and makes the weather very cold. We all feel the weather and we know that the weather condition around us. Factors affecting the weather. When the sun shines brightly, the weather is sunny or hot. Sunny days, the rate of evaporation is very high and clothes dry faster. When it rains, we say it rainy. The weather is rainy. And when there are lots of clouds in the sky, we say the weather is cloudy. And when the wind blows strongly, we say the weather is windy. When thick clouds containing very small droplets of water are found in the air close to the earth's surface on the land or sea, this is called fog. Fog looks like this. Now these kinds of weather, as you see in the picture, is called the foggy weather. Okay students, now you can try to find out which kind of weather is now. Okay, it will be fun. I hope you have all understood today's class, right? We will meet in the next class. Bye bye.